Welcome all of you on my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to discuss some important topic like variables, data collection and understanding etc. In the data set, column is also known as variable and features. Here, first of all, we talk about variables. How will we define it? So variable is nothing but such a memory location where we can assign different values, or also we can say values can be vary, but we try to understand by an example mathematically. So let's see, x is equal to, I'm taking input function for taking user input. So enter any number by user. I'm using also print function for getting output, and I'm using type functions for checking the data type of variable. So let's run. If I have entered 5, I got 5. If one more time, if I have entered 10, I got 10. But this definition is not sufficient in machine learning. So let's discuss in detail. We have we study three types of variable in machine learning. First, ID variable, second, categorical, and third is continuous variable. So we have to divide all the features of data set into three types of variables. So I'm typing some theory here. Earlier, number of unique values in feature is less than or equal to number of rows. So um, in the data set, number of unique values in any features is less than or equal to number of rows. That's it. So if we talk about id variables, number of unique values is equal to number of rows. So number of unique values is equal to number of rows. And if we talk about a continuous variable, continuous variable is also known as numerical variable. Okay. So here number of unique values less than number of rows. Number of unique values less than number of rows. But note down, data type of features should be int and float. That's it. If we talk about categorical variable, so number of unique values should be 0 to 25, but This range is not fixed. Okay, that's it. But practically, the question is how will we know that what is the type of variables? Is it ID or categorical or continuous? So, how will we know? I want to explain by an example. So, let's recap this step. First step is loading the data. I want to explain by a data set. So, first step is loading the data. How will we load the data? So simply I have to import the pandas package. So import pandas as pd. So df is equal to uh, pd dot read csv. But basically I have downloaded the Boombyte dataset in my local machine from GitHub repository. So I can say the source of my data collection is GitHub. But also data source can be company, internet, etc. So I have to load the data set. Only I'm using this link where I have uh, downloaded my data set. So I have just copy here. So only I'm showing top of 5 rows of data set. So that's why I'm using head functions. So this data set is looks like very pretty. But for getting some information about data set, I can use so info function. So using info function we can check here total number of columns here 16, um, total number of rows 730. Okay, but here we can get all the list of columns. Okay, but we have to categorize all the columns into three types variable. So using an unique function we can divide all the features into three types of variables. So how will we do it? So let's see here, df dot n unique, that's it. So here guys we can say instant dtda column is our id column, and season, year, month, holiday, weekday, working day, no weather sheets. All the columns are categorical and according to this definition, and rest of the variables are continuous variables. So that's it here guys, and in the end I want to say that whatever you are facing issues, you can send your query with the help of my website. Do not worry, I will provide my website link in descriptions box. If this video is informative for you, you can like and subscribe this channel, and also press the notification icon so that upcoming videos you can get easily. So thank you for watching this video, and